Oh my days, blood.
30 minutes. Yo, this game could be over first half.
You see how confident?
How they confident though?
Son! Ah!
Oh.
Oh my days! Jeez! On young man, the Korean king. He's a yido on the Tottenham wing. He won the medal, no service, or go into war.
That's a goal, now. That's a proper goal.
As long as he scored, jeez, blood. What you man telling me? You bossio.
Listen,
I knew it.
Mourinho football, man. Mourinho football.
Look at it straight from the back. What did I tell you?
Counter-attack football. Yes, Mourinho. I'm sorry.
He's offside.
Yeah. What?
Is he offside? That's looking all tight, bruv. Oh my days, VAR, blood.
Is it VAR?
Oh, that could be offside.
That looked offside, bro. That looked offside.
Yeah, that could be offside. That one.
He's up, bruv. I know my luck.
Yo.
Offside. He's offside. I know my luck.
Offside, B. He's offside. He's gone.
He's offside. I know my luck.
Yeah, gone. Definitely, man. It's got to be offside. That surely.
Ooh, he's gone, bruv.
Jeez.
Goal! 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 Goal!
Nah. That's a Mazalina.
That's what I'm saying. You negative Mancunians. Hold that.
His legs out though, man.
You negative Mancunians.
That looked offside.
You negative Mancunians. Hold that. Jose Zaduel. Yeah. Hold that, Saeed. Is my man.
I ain't bothered you. Listen, I'm not half, mate.
Gang business. Gang business.
I don't know, mate.
Look at that breakaway. You know what I mean? After being pammed for that long, and then man just suck
Jurgen Klopp, how does it feel? How does it feel? Jurgen Klopp, I'm talking to you. How does it feel? Tell me. Yeah? Hold that, Arnie, fam. Just know, blood. We're going in. Woo! Trophy, Mourinho. Gang business.
What trophy, man? Relax.
Yes, Arnie. Go on, son. Across. Oh. Jeez.
Lucky.
Come on, that's all right. That's not bad. That's better. Come on, lads. Let's get going. Come on.
One.
Jones. Firmino. That's nice. Curtis Jones. Go on, Curtis, son. On ahead, son. Hey! Yes! It's in! Yeah!
Yes!
Come on! Woo! Hey, Lloris must have stand there, wasn't he? Yes! Woo! Come on, the Reds! Oh, he's in! What's going on? Are you serious? Where's the flip? What the flip's going on there? Was he offside for that, was he? Is he offside or what's happening? Unbelievable.
Come on, Kurt. Come on, Curtis. Oh, Salah, hit it! Deflection, it's in! Come on! Come on! Get in, Salah! Come on! Get in! Come on! We're doing it! Come on! It's a deflection.
It's Son Heung-min. It's 1-1. Spurs have picked the Liverpool pocket.
What the fuck happened there?
That is what they do. That is how they do it. Well, they rely on.
They showed the replay and then they went back to live TV.
Curtis Jones
with
is in the right.
He's off. Ooh.
And then he gets drawn inside, and as a result, Son is able to just peel off away from Reece Williams, and Liverpool are just looking for the offside, and VAR checking.